Hey up everyone, and welcome to Fuengirola. Now today's video, we're going to have a walk down the front here in Fuengirola, have a look at all the bars, because I'll tell you what, there's plenty of them. And we'll see what the promenade's like. So if you want to come and have a quick look in a cloudy Fuengirola, come on, let's go. So the Harp and Shamrock are doing a special offer, San Miguel bottles, 5 for 12. So is that 5 bottles for €12 or €5 for 12 bottles? Because it doesn't say. What do you think? The White Rose, I bet that's a Yorkshire pub. So you can see there's plenty of bars down here, just around the harbour. We've got the Family Bar, Ali Bab Kebab, and Linda's Drink, Eat and Enjoy. Yes, as you can see, this is the harbour area of Fuengirola. And if you want to purchase a bar, there's one for sale there. I have got to say, there's a lot of bars. It reminds me a bit of Benidorm. A Magpie and a Spanish one which is shut at the minute. What does the Magpie do? Small English breakfast for €6.50. Scrambled egg for €4.50. Sandwiches €8. Yeah, it's not the cheapest place, is it? And there you've got Scoobies. Delicious home-cooked food served with the best views in the port. What do you think? Are they the best views in the port?
Absolutely terrible views.
You can get your sea trips from here. Looks like this is the ticket office for the port. And here we've got a beautiful play area for the young kiddies. It's quite good, that, actually. And that's the name of the park here. And there its opening times if you want to fetch the kids. Yeah, as you can see, it's not the prettiest resort. Angels does cocktails. Rocky O'Sullivan's, #1 sports and party bar in Fuengirola. And that's 50 metres this way. Old Chaplin's got live music and karaoke. And an international sports bar, which is the Sunset Boulevard. Look at that. So as you can see on the opposite side of the road, we've got a little flat promenade walkway. We walk down here. On this corner here is the London pub. 2 pints of Amstel, €6. 2 vodka, 1 Red Bull for a €10. And here's now Rocky O'Sullivan's. It's got a little outside area and a big inside area, and this place is busy. So all the sports on. And a KFC next to it. Yum yum. Like I said, plenty of pubs. This is the Old Town Sports Bar. It's got the football on as well. And these have also got two for €6. And it's got its own outside area. Ah, now we've got the Burger King. It's got all the tat here in Fuengirola. And all the official merchandise. And all the real bags. Teo also do two for €6. There's one with football on. We found a cheaper deal. It's 1 cent cheaper. Get your cent in. Well, if you're staying here, you ain't got a balcony. So what are you thinking of Fuengirola so far? Drop it in them comments, let me know. I'll say, it's not my favourite place on the Costa del Sol, but we'll not write it off just yet. So we'll have a look at some more. I have noticed though, the hotels are very high. And I think that's why it reminds me a bit of Benidorm, because it's got a lot of high-rise buildings and a straight flat prom and lots of cheap bars. And this is the Hotel El Puerto. So if you're staying in this one, you'll be at the harbour end of Fuengirola. Everywhere has an alley up. And this one's got an umbrella on, just for the rain. And we've got the supermarkets, the cheap clothes, and the tat. And it had to have one, didn't it? The obligatory Mackie D's. I will say one thing for this place though, it's very flat. It's got a lovely prom to walk down. There's the tiki bar, that's very nice. Toast is €9.50. And the safari, Fuengirola. Riviera Maya. I think we're at wrong country. It's a busy one, Maxi Beach. And you can see the front carries on for ages. We're going to walk on into town, have a look at the town here in Fuengirola. This is quite nice, isn't it? It's like a little tapas alley. We'll have a walk down it. Lots of nice restaurants. Palito. It's a nice one, isn't it? Volcano. And they had cocktails for €8.90. It's not bad. Right, we'll make his way back up, carrying along the road. Right, back out on the other street. Lots of shops. A lot quite closed at the minute. And like I say, I've noticed that A lot of places we've been to, we've been January, they do close for their winter season. Got some clothes shops open. La Galería. Oh, this looks cute. Wow, look at this. How cute's this? You know what? How nice for that. I didn't expect that. And that is La Galería. Well, it looks like there's a few restaurants up here. Let's go and check this out. Wow, what a lovely little square. And so busy. There's loads of restaurants. Oh, that were busy, weren't it? More bars. There's just loads of bars around here. Let's just... I can't even going to pronounce that. And out into a little square. And this is Constitution Plaza. It's obviously lit up at night for Christmas. And a little nativity. Ah, cute. And here we've got a statue and a waterfall. And that, here in Constitution Square in Fuengirola, is where I'm going to end today's video because it's starting to rain. Anyway, what did you think to Fuengirola? Let me know in the comments. Please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until the next one, from a wet Fuengirola here on the Costa del Sol, goodbye.